Oya santini tima piano kwa parliament. She unim di okika Trump inti ena dollar naba form ena China for ena inti na kwa benzo to oh it is in high demand. And just say we munyina mu wesi Ashanti region time kwa. After all these things, she de eba no. LGBTQ trumu nsam abepie Patricia Appiagyei. Na Patricia Appiagyei can assemble parliament or say Patricia Appiagyei said we will resist attempts to shelve or dilute anti-gay bill. Who is going to shelve and who is going to dilute? In team for your way, in team for your for also ira. Me catch a Ghana for me catch a Ghana for me just boy. In team for your is gay. Mumusa say I don't want court no. On the magazine I don't want court no. I could settle lady no. The he no. In team for your could have $500,000 to keep magazine quiet. You see, in team for your is now trying to settle. Why didn't he go to court? I told you he was Maxine's lover. In team for your ya born the two or you trumidifo in team for your. Why didn't he go to the court? I didn't want to court no. Mibusamo. Why didn't in team for your go to court? He did not go to court because what the guy was saying was true. Sorry, she was saying was true. Also, in team for your is not able to tell us court and why didn't he go to court? Or warning the party say Obeko court or court 7 days. Why didn't he go to court? The party can say or Paonko court. Why didn't in team for you go to in team for you didn't talk? Is your wife or you to me D4 after you back Benjamin Hon and saying also Akosha Bruchri. Or who is some way Jimmy, who's MPP for Jimmy? In team for you is gay. Or you to me D4 or dinko for two. Oh, and the one will be him. What a te on Peso Biabekana Sem on Pesebe Busan say Adentina one court. Now let's deal with this matter. Patricia Appiagyei, Mami Penny Poso, Abrewa Poso, or sorry, I don't want to match the new Fuase. Or say, almost MPP minority now, they are useless in parliament, you know. They will resist any attempt to shelve or dilute anti-gay bill. Nobody is going to dilute it. Nobody is going to shelve it. Bill now more discussing with TVs, you know. Why a bit may be a film? The NDC government will pass the bill. We are not like Ekufuado Jimmy no. We are not like you people who are hypocrites. Moko gay for Okojiska, Moba Musumutan gay for. The NDC government is open. They are saying, say, the moment parliament is done, they will have no option. They will sign the bill. Into why are you now panicking? Almost someone who say NDC best sign a bill, no? Into what strategy Omadeba. Omo because I bill no crampono, Omo yibi film, Omo bois. The NPP, Omo nim say NDC aban we best sign a bill, no? Patricia Appiagyei, Mami Penny Toto on Kano Kre. O did trocha santifo he mami wo kwa santimemua enkwasi asema yo kacha santifo no obuom dodo enso mo ntebrofu nti omunim de ko Ghana NPP for a meeting eno maka cha mo say omo starting ye dede o parliament say bill no NDC for be yi afrim mo so mo ni NDC for na te committee so amunyina mo tie bill no munyina na motewa mo address bill ni issues no eye den na oda no ho beka say eye trumu bill no NDC for be yi afrim enti antia say hwan na be yi afrim. Because they know that the NDC government, you know, a bonum share Ghana say parliament to me pass him random quadia. Never do John Mahama anymore be sign. No, they know parliament will pass, John Mahama will sign. Mami penny way on can Mami Chow here, Odukumasi has be okasa he. Okokumasi are not radio, so I have semi oka, Tino, or can dollar nasem tea. Mami penny, she Odukumasi no continent angel and quasia samunkwa, Tino.
O see dollar. I call from Tia, celebrate you. Obianim Niako, economist Beccachero, said Trump near my war yinti, a mad dollar now hoarding a coffin. But would the coffer Eura and hoarding non coffin? Would the coffer your friend say pounds and hoarding and coffin? It's other countries in the Chinese if what's it can warm the and cough up into young craft way didra, the aquafaniama, a frabon tebano, or matitania maso. Oh, my demented if it's got Nedrolanguan home the eduma. It relates to other currency. Our man wanting a gina super.
Then she say, dollar na a coffin CC. enye aban bibia wa ye bintina ekofo
and yeah no kwasama da ho
by US taxes ne
niema wo ye
ne ade no ti ama say dollar no enye on high demand bi
that is the whole
no
no
city no gaining the strength
yes exactly so edi won ko celebrate Abraham me my brabo ensisai oh yeah what's what fu so what is so say it was a Ghana for ye really wo ema wo match bi wo and idea be so a temperano to me fan kanchira wo say wo na wama saade na edru a wo ka ho asem bebrebe ti yewra mahama eni man na ekoso no mem beat your chest and fan kasa sana because da yewra a friend said Minister for Finance Atufo obejina ho na why a budget it is an estimate and yadia aye adwuma
na mo entia mo ma constituency no mo with all due respect man this is mo mumu ana hwensem bi okeka ma mu akotena parliament be 14 years hwensem okeka we nyina oka no kumasi o obanka ontumi nka kasa kro ontumi nka wa bre abre wa poso wait the brain no entumi enya strong biem entumi ready ade enkai she's done oya santini ntimo pia na ko parliament hwe onim de okeka Trump inti ena dollar na ba form ena eye China for ena eniti na kwasia base to oh it is in high demand te say we mu nyina mu wesi Ashanti region time kwa antipatry ote wona wadwiri sika na ode hwe ne ma wo school ena yete wona antipatry we adwiri ne nya sharp biem adwiri ne wu wabɔ abrewa ontumi nya bibia nyoma titie sim on yo ye no ntiase ene etia santimemu antipatry Patricia Appiagyei de onko parliament onfa bibia ma afie mo pamo no mo fanya nsani ba akomra yese pepe ne afe yeto hwe nyoma otiti TV so keka and when you know keka no kumasi o ontumi nkansem we won kran hwe bibia o keka hwe we ye leader o our parliament di MPP fu enim Auntie Patricia, we are bro poso. All to me be beer mass antimine. Mammy de buno, now a mayor, and a year dian. Yes, ko ye juma from Puntu, my titi radio sokeka. And dollar na sebio na ho de abasro no na say dollar na ho de na aba form no na Trump and sebio oka na nti wo hwa on to me pok wa bre bibia won hu bia bre everything about her is tired ni minima bre duko ebona bre tese ne kasa na bre eni brenti oso nkofie edie pa biom mami we you can't give her this document to read, understand and make something. She can't na dwene no emunya din biem emu emre. She's not active. She's not there. She cannot make any decision. Into the way I say, your party bapa, mama make a cray, na me fanko mikrum, mama make a cray. On to me, this modern day thinking, on to me nyebi. She cannot think outside the constituency. When the reason why we want parliament a year, waba a wedding, waba engagement, me of a new, where they Mr. Wabi, and what this is the parliament to at the papa be a free mumma. Wa bre bibia won hu bia bre ne nan kokromotia bre wa dwerega tie ne kasa no wa bre tie there's pain in her voice wa bre
wo si dollar akofom tie ye celebrate you obi anim ne eko economist beka chiro say Trump niema wo yenti ama dollar na ho odin ekofom ba wo de kofa euro ahoden no nkofom would the cover your friend say pounds and what then and cough up Eti other countries in Chinese if one sika ne woman de ni nyina. Enko fo enti ye nkrofo edi dwa. Ye kofa niema efra bonte ba no. O matete niema so.
Say asem no kan free no na nkofo ye na kaje say and the dollar na call from na eba omia na ye ma ne call from. Enye sa no mka kire. Ba omia dwumadi odi ye eko IMF ena ma dollar ne call from. Abro aposo so kotena wa o se Trump na ma dollar. Say wudwini wo mo ntiase. We the time we do the point I see a be store man tena no. Na no mu wia kwansi ni bi. Na o tiem kom na mo fasika ni muta di sa no ne life be wodura no. Ye BS provision store abrochire bola Costco ni akoze sa toilet paper se begum tissue abrochire anwa abrochire Rexona na ote ho anopa na obusa na ho aye na eba so na ye kwayi funu na ba na nde beba wa wie yi esi akoda me hututumi ntimi sa na wo so nka oye we gomodwuma no enti kobena wuye enti mumfa no kwhye mo kire na makoyi no ne esese na aka ye metua se na kobena anwako e obepenti dan no na dwuma wo san ko ye no Mr. Omunyoma san we de me ko keti akofa toilet roll beka ho me mo akofo sa anyoma we bi na no mu wie sika no na ne bu ofu na ofro mo na osiesie nsam yeso nkodwene ma Ghana nipa baako wa ye mre we do a store keeping position baby wodu no also hwe store so provision store so ne ba wa brochi an kom ko Costco ye sales na kom asesa brochi bola na ote ho de bi wa kare ni masi me mare na de ba yo omo yi kura bra mo bre we de no be ma tre Ghana sa na odi akowu mami we de na sam den mami na wo store ho hwe ukoyi anwa kura ba ko hwe u sei ne ma wa brochi o sei bia na nka odi akowu na ote wo so ko hye mra we hye mra ontinyo manase adwene na bre we do store keeping position baby what do no also hwe store so abrochire bola hwe de oye ade oya santini ma Patricia de ye de ne beko ode ne konfuntio ma kwase asam fa nipa sebio ne ho sisi ne ho so otumi dwene ekenkan ma ne ka de tirim ba omia ena dollar ne mo den ena ye nua nkofo omukofa de omuntimi nto make I said Donald Trump we mo we drew time I was tena store no we everything obeba no na space share no kuta book kitu ebi no atwero frimpon yese wo fa kompra we wuo an ebena de be mekọ ho na hwana baba tena store no obaba ko no ho mane mra wadwuma no na wo mane ye adwuma o ha no afro baba esi an Saturday ni ebekọ ye be kompra ye so eyie no na moseme nkwa na obi ndi mechi sa anyoma no na wo ye de bia wa short kakra o store na wo kokaye ti akofa bia be hyem ni efre yie na wakotena se na ebusuan hia besia na mo de mo fa no kɔhye fridge na momra ne nkasa de bia na se hia wo ebusuan nim obetena nkan kwase asem na wakotena radio so na Trump na euro na dollar no wo so ka kire se ba obi adwuma de odi na ma dollar ne ba fom afido na be hye Trump edi na mrewa isu ye organi abruwa poso wa dwedwo okay because we didn't tell but no crana make a chair we always see the Paris or seska we store keeping position or we do store keeping position provision store keeping over na atwegu enim memba wa abrochire enterprise not ya no God is good unyame aye so na nke bie store amano na atwere enim unyame aye de bia na okache ni pahwe temane o parliament no wadwuma no na nkote store no momra na mene mon kasa hwe metemana mgira me na say amako yi me pictures ne bra na wo de kire enche pupu we mutite parliament ay ready yes say chances ready now urim sa ko emenyini chan no JFK I'm older than JFK MPP for general secretary kura menyini channel me tia omo no omo fe omo to nkwasiafo akwa menyini channel yeah me ho na efe hwere nim de bia ne katere mebutu yansiasia you see the government the way they are doing things we know that the NDC is behind the attacks and they keep the peace of our people and jailing them but we want to send a strong when ne katere mebutu way heaven gate on wurem ya the code wurem to minka 6676 on to minka 6676 heaven on kobi now get to mebutu na go heaven code heaven the code na ko 6676 obeka 6676 obeka what God, there's one here. 6676. 6676. Oh, to cat. Oh, go heaven. MPP General Secretary Katrime Butu. Heaven. Ya bibia wi ya vetu we no also the code the room and say ko kan wasem 6676 we ought to cat. I got to please 6676 say 6676. And then Friday. We all go heaven. We give it to me say MPP General say me nyiri jero. Na muna na mutinyo be bias enkwara we mo adwene wo fom we enkwara toto fifi froye for we nikatire bebutu ye do having gate na owurem because ene na make code that 6676 me say me do am tell her thank you the code 6676 pa na me wurem we be gina boga ene bona kwai 6676 say 6676 Please mention your wait. Obama America come to me ordered your Adrian McDonald's. Please I want seven pieces chicken. I want to Mr. Obayagia McDonald's on to me ordered and drive through on to me. I want to please I want to order something. Yeah, what do you want to have today? I want six chicken pieces. I want to chicken pieces says. Please, can you come again? Say, or did you want to by P. I'm going to wonder. They say, McDonald's drive through. Aquaway, young Tom Bibia man die. Please, hello, sir. Can you please order? Yes, please. I want Second fingers. Second fingers. Second fingers. I said, what do you want to buy? Second fingers. Please, can you change your order? We don't have that. Okay, do you have second nuggets? And then what? Second nuggets. Oh, Johnny, please wait. Okay, then give me McDonald's. Can you give me cheese and burger? Cheese and burger. Negative about two. Well, give it to. Oh, give me Nashi. When you party, give me. I'm a pop star.
What's the day? November to November. Me I know my no calendar. Come on, let's ride. I'm a running man. Higher than life, no challenger. Trace my loss for the charisma. Chasing those no scavengers. Chasing those no scavengers. What's the day? As I'm a city ball and I can't want yes, you're not having the sign. Whoa. Only one I tell you walk on with 3 bumped and I see you're not having the sign. And the detail no evidence. I go to chill like I don't relax. I know the time no evidence. I go to chill like I don't. Oh no, I'm a pop star. You know, sir, I'm a pop star. You know, sir, I'm a pop star. Yeah. You know, sir, I'm a pop.
Everyone damn you. Everyone damn you too. Yeah, and then Nancy home. My study over was almost brutal. I'm a forum. Almost damn Mahama. Be kebi be a fair. And international every bobia di baby more be a chance me no be aje yes be wo so bu dwame but I don't say no cre omo to devil almost say ampo Kevin that small can true I your general secretary get to be butu 6676 sad on go heaven but me can story me ya ready wow now Musha JFK say 6676 on to be ga we got to Butu over really power oh bodam JFK on to me 6676 Uncle Heaven 6676 or 6676 the arrest detention of our party members and taking them to before court are rather energizing our base. Justin Kodriana Akasa or say the arrest detention of our party members and taking them to court are rather energizing our base. Or see the arrest detention of our party members and taking them to court are rather energizing our base. Or see, achichi no. Mochi a party for. Modu omoko court. Mo tete omono. Eno kram na kiki ginger MPP for no. And ye bechibu fucking. Ye wu sene na ginger mu ide. And ye mo betia back fucking. They say you say mujimi na chimwe jinja mu ide and you munyina mubokom. Ni ajin say chimwe hamo. Say hamo and you munyina mubokom. Chimwe jibi. Say ni anim say 76 say. Say no say ya chi omo jimi a ya chi omo no na ejinja omo. Say you say jinja mu ide and you be chi mo because mo jimi munsua nyansa. Instead of you to tell the young people in the MPP to be decorum, to be very careful the kind of statements they make, and not to cross the red line for them to be arrested. You know, why you are not set pokuo? 76, you are saying that it gingers you. We will ginger you people very much. You are telling us that your people are fooling and they are being arrested. You are telling us that it will ginger you. We will let it ginger you very. It will ginger you too much, too much. Aqua we compare by. You know I love you too much, too much. We will get jam zero. We get remember to you. Apo. Now we let that be. Then we my catch Obama or back. I say we jack Kevin. Could you know, Kevin Taylor is not the guy that you have to follow because Kevin is not sensitive at all. He's insulting people. Obesus is here. We give it to it. Way because this is what the Miguel Chikramen Casa. We want to be she. Please, Lacey, can I talk to you? I said, yes, please. Please, are you a friend to Kevin Taylor? I said, yes, Kevin's my friend. So I wanted to say something to you about Kevin Taylor. He's not a very serious guy at all. They said, why are you saying those things? You see, we are all Ghanaians, and I've watched Kevin Taylor's show. He's somebody who is saying so many things that we, the people in Ghana, we don't like him too much. So if you like him too much, just stop liking him too much. He said, why are you talking to me like that? He's a very, very nice guy. He's very respectful. He's a gentleman, and I know this guy is such a sweetheart. Please, he's not a sweetheart. Kevin's not a sweetheart. Sister says 76. So he's not a sweetheart. Please, you have to fall for me. Kevin is never a sweetheart. The girl says, oh, please, I'm running late. What's the time? I don't have my watch. So it says 36. Get over that and say, you know what? Oh, I left my phone inside and I don't have my watch. What's the time, please? It says that it says. What's here? What it says that it says? Get over that and say, what's the time? Oh, it is just says that it says 36 minutes past 6. I'm poof. I'm a top star.
Yeah, what's the day? November to November. Me, I know my no calendar. Come on, let's ride, I'm a running man. Higher than life, no challenger. Trace my loss for the charisma. Chasing those no scavengers. Chasing those no scavengers. Eh? I said, dang. As a mission city ball in a K won't yes, you're not as having the same. Whoa. Only one actually walk on with 3 bumped and I see you're not as having the same. And the day I know evidence. I go to chill like a relax. I know the day I know evidence. I go to chill like a oh no, I'm a pop star. You know, sir, I'm a pop star. You know, sir, I'm a pop star. Yeah. You know, sir, I'm a pop. Yeah. Star. You know, sir, I'm a pop star. You know, sir, I'm a pop star. Yeah. You know, sir, I'm a pop. Yeah. I'm a pop star.
You know the way Oppong a Gyamfi. That Patricia or by result to you. You know, I'm a pop star. You know that we're on to me. Wait, the same party in go. I quite get him to know the party. We can't be actually Monte. Now, I'm 1 or 2 near point. I have 3 hours 22 minutes. Me here power. Me na be defend the power. And my 3 hours 20 minutes. Because see power. Oh, 1 hour 30 no abre. Me magic power no. Record ni na on my side no. Ghana 40 no crowd. Me 3 hours 30 minutes. Because see open to me. Where 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour abre. Share. You the 1 hour they to me. 2020 they come busame. Me to me yes 6 hours. Be jinam. Ask my bodam. Get me jom. Me ye be to me 8 hours jina. Share. Open to me ama ba omi an hu bon bini. Oh ya 1 hour abre. Now one about my convincing oh bodam. Ehia for lazy people. Me na me body first me Mourinho no. Me na ma park bus me say 3 hours 30 minutes. Who na open to me now party de guno. Ube jina 35 minutes 40 minutes wakoda kwasia. Oje say the laziness legit to me. Me to be the man 95 hours. Na me see yendru campaign time. O de mo me mbura 2027 January. Be jinem 6 hours. Me numusio. Me. 76. Unim me papa. Unim me papa. Me we energy for kid. A chairman gas met to mete. But we had my team like a crib. I say, they had a tea no co and one not see. Now, my mention my dear in your queen. What dear wouldn't 76 are repeat to be lazy people. But we have a press conference. We are quite original about me, you know. Oh, we need power. Oh, I'm going to jump out. Yes, about me, bodyguard. Because you're paying umba power. Share the food. Yeah. Not just go for it. Nangasano. Yeah. I quite original about me, you know. Open to me, umba power. One man. Now, yes, about to be my boof. His stomach is so big. Such a big stomach. Hey, how can your stomach be so big like that? And you are following Baumia like that? Are you stupid? He has a very big stomach. See his stomach. You are following Baumia. You want to me, and your stomach is so big like that, and you want us to give you power. What do you mean? Oh, nyanya to me. Why you were full said dancing crying? Sunyasha yem where nanabi nanabi. Oh, Baba, but we pray on crying. What is the could do? Kwasia ugu maso. Akwa where about my bodyguard. Je ne fou. Wait, now obi type about me a slapper. Yes, one magic about me a way. Share to the court to make a cancer. One main, just say, Mahmoud about me a bodyguard or do mobile new way. What's on your order? Or some massa yen and terminal young koname. My bro, wa bre. Ne glucose award mun 100 billion grams. We mun mo pet to me no way. Apo. Now me sometimes me hammer home. I do too much. Now first and people now me somewhere smart oh. And I used to worry myself too much. Say no, I need to break things to Ghanaians. I need to. But later me some Jimmy. Yes, anything I have to spend time. Me waste mama. I think I do too much. I'm doing too much. I'm still waiting for a competitor. Obi to challenge me with facts. I'm still not seeing. And your emotional journalism here you. And yet, what do you mean an atemo? Where the Asantefo where do you pay journalism with facts? I'm not seeing anybody. I do sometimes now I'm lazy. Because I was thinking say people who are competitors. Omukuta document. Kevin Taylor said this is a lie. Read this. This is the doc. Oh, me nyebi. I don't get me nyebi. My ya me nyebi. Me hubi. What you say that for? And it's mama me ye lazy ba. More MPP for you are making me late. Anytime you 3 hours, 30 minutes, 3.5 hours. Me anka at this point I to me 7 hours. But me say them who MPP DBA or so kasaba MPP or the documentation saba or see way any document I'm proving this wrong. Obian to me nyebi. Bosremika yantiasie we di atem we die da bia no enye journalism ene dia wo hu na kire na obeso kire wadwene ya $1,000. Me pe obi o ye dia me ye ni be documentations fact journalism. Enu bi na me pe me enye emotional journalism na me yo enye we di asantefo atem we di kofo atem we di we mu atem me pese wo di nkrata ba kire me say I am wrong. So what you for krata ba kire me so I am wrong. Me hu say we jantre ni kra unya nipa ma me we jimi and matena ha me hu bi mo mama me lazy me here competition. I need a competition. 76 I need competition. Me nyabi. Who is the competitor here? Who? Why never to be different about me Abraham around? Who is the competitor? Me busamo say more MPP for who is my competitor? I have none. Nobody is my competitor. Nobody. One who can bring facts and say I am contesting Kevin Taylor's facts with facts. One nobody. Obia to me jina social media kasa jina TV so the din kankwas and the wow problem. It is how you feel and how you feel about what you want to say. I have no problem with that. How you see me is your problem. How you perceive me is your problem. You might not like the way I present it. It is your problem. Maybe you think I'm speaking against some group of people you are attached to. It is your problem. But if you want to contest me, Messi, bring your facts. But I don't see. Mashushema John Mahama be the president 2024. 25 John Mahama eba office. Na me jin say obi beba. Now me say a competitor will come. A competitor is somebody who needs to come with documentation, facts, to contest my facts. So far, I'm so worried. There's no challenger in the system. Who? Kwaku Baku I'm found by the last samurai. Me try it. Why be Messi Kwaku Baku I'm found by the last samurai of the MPP. Me try it. They say I can't why na when I got documents. When they bet my contesting me document to Ghana, nobody in Ghana and outside Ghana challenge any why my bre. You are making me lazy. I'm waiting. Obi ni ho because the jumana me no. Unimi nyansa untumi nye. It is a fact. Unimi nyansa untumi nye. You might have your own reservations about me. It is your problem. You might have an issue with the way I present my show. It is your problem. At the end of the day, you might not like me as a person because more fetching it is your problem. But the fact still remains. Can you bring counter facts to dissolve my fact? You can't. Until I still control. I am the alpha and omega in journalism in Ghana. Until somebody shows up, MPP, I have still given you an assignment. Bring me somebody. Bring me somebody. And yet, me Asantini and O24 and Adabio. Bring me somebody who is intelligent, who can come with facts. I am the Rambo. John Rambo. Rambo 1, Rambo 2, Rambo 3. I will decide who will become president of the Republic of Ghana. And Allah, in his own wisdom, has told me it's going to be 42 years. Even in the NDC, I will decide who will lead the NDC. Because Onyankopon never found so who has to lead the NDC. Yes. You can say I'm bragging, but Onyame ewa mafa. And what God has given me, I will decide. It's noise. I decide who becomes NDC flag bearer. Because in him, no kre any the bechire nipa no ama nipa na je de patum. We will have to show the people the facts. And without the facts, ultimately convince you be say asimesi when lead the NDC. But when I present the facts, when I bring the documentations, when I project the facts, the people will nod and say, this is what we want. That is my specialty. Mejumanie. Obiane is specialty. Obiane the way good at. This is what I do, my full-time job. This is what myself and my team, we are dedicated to do. So you cannot change it. I will control the MPP for the next 42 years. You can never come to power. Never. Before you people can get to John Mahama and get to the next person who will lead the NDC, you have to break me. And none of you can break me. Nobody. I'm still waiting for a competitor. Not an emotional competitor. Not where the empanel may say, I want a competitor who is going to bring documentations to compete me. And no America. See a four, what is that a form? Me the power. Me protect your buying. Me almost 4 hours. Upe to me, kwasia o candidate. Ne onam Ghana or your trophy for ultimate cleaning. Over 30 minutes, 1 hour, no kwada. Kwasia, o is Ghana for you. You have no conscience. We are lazy. You cannot defend Bawomia's mess. You can't. I have spent just half of my energy. Your Bush 2027. Nanya maya clear. Hona Moses Sammy kuteja. Now, my main point with this. Kojo Oppong Nkruma say, Sammy Gyamfi share no parliament. Aboa. Kojo Oppong Nkruma or radio station wo the Nkruma baby. On fresh Sammy Gyamfi or match wo. Munja emotional politics. Now let's listen to Kojo Oppong Nkruma. But before I do the Kojo Oppong Nkruma story, I would like to kill this jandam. MPP4 are pushing some jandam out. This is fake news, and I can't even read. NDC supporters don't dress well. They dress like hustlers and weed smokers. Why wouldn't you? The Ghana ambassador, Victor Smith, he never said that. I listened to the interview. Any story like this, it is fake. This man is too smart to even make such a statement. He was talking about Ghanaians coming to the World Cup. And he was saying, there are some things that you need to understand. It helps you even get the visa when you stand before the counselor or whoever is interviewing you. And one of those things is to dress well. One can say NDC for the NDA. That is the MPP. This is fake news. In conform to me say, this man is an honorable man. He has been diligent in his politics. He has been very strong when it comes to the NDC principles. J.J. Rawlings first aid, Onye, and he has gone through the mill to get to this point. And nobody can destroy people like that. Anywhere you see this news, treat it as some nonsense. This is fake news. I watched the news, the interview myself. He never mentioned any political party or individual. He was just giving an advice to Ghanaians who are coming to the World Cup. Dress well when you're going for the interview. And it's also part of the reason I be able to make visa. No? That's it. Be presentable. And it is one of the best advice anybody can give you. He is the ambassador here, and he's telling Ghanaians, if you're going for the interview, present yourself well, dress well. Let the person going to interview know, say, you basically respect their office. It is part of the reasons visa. It's simple. MPP4, they don't have anything else to do again. It won't say Victor Smith say Victor Smith did the NDC for time. It is a lie. Asamna Bentra, Nankepe, one of some of the finest gentlemen to even contest to lead the NDC, and this man should be part of them. Asamna Bentra. So sometimes MPP4, they are done. Jandam is dead. Baby, I'm story we are treated as some piece of shit. Now, Oppong Nkruma. Kojo Oppong Nkruma. If Sammy Gyamfi wants to debate, he should come to Parliament. Mummy go to Oppong Nkruma. Missing people, they are daft. And Mameka Semicho, Kojo Oppong Nkruma is doing the same thing a Kenufuriata ye. A playbook no. Obeba shows so he would never allow anybody to come and contest his views. And the same playbook that Kenufuriata use here. And they say for the first time, good morning, Ghana. This guy is a liar. He know he's daft. He know he does not have the expertise in what he's talking about. He's just selling jandam. And into Oko TV so on person biabe kan akobusana questions. Into what he does is Okotina TV so amenkwa e Kenufuriata 101 nibi no ye no. This is what we call daft politician. Osro so biabe exposino. And they busana se Sammy Gyamfi bra. Siano, namun church or sip ombra parliament. These are daft boys.
Sammy Gyamfi wants a debate. You want it to?
He's been invited to Parliament as part of a probe on how come, first of all, we've made over 2.5 billion cedis loss, which now has risen to 9.6 billion cedis on the gold sales.
Has Parliament invited him?
His side has blocked it. We are saying they should open that investigation for him to come under oath with all the documents to answer questions.
But Sammy Gyamfi,
we have said
Sammy Gyamfi is not a parliamentarian.
No, he is part of the people who are running this gold value chain. We have said that if a debate is necessary, the person who under Section 58 has an obligation is the Minister for Finance. He has to bring the report to Parliament so that the committee can sit on it, and we invite him onto the floor for a debate on it, if necessary.
Until that happens?
Deal with those ones. Patrick Boama has filed a motion that those who sold 50% of our gold without any authorization should appear before Parliament with the necessary documents that back the transaction and answer questions.
But
let them deal with all of those.
No problem. But you've been debating him virtually.
Let them deal with all of those ones. Let them deal with them. When they are done, they can ask for anything else.
No problem. But I'm saying you've been debating him online already. Just bring it here in the studio.
Bring them to Parliament. Let's deal with it. When you are done with that, we can do anything else.
This is disgusting to listen to. Hey, boys na mo happy or no. Say no win ID. Me share Sammy Gyamfi. Questions abusa no so questions o musa o. Osro. O say Sammy Gyamfi mbra Parliament. Hey. Tell me catch you mom ti brofo yin nim nyanso. O ma bon tu. Then it means that Kojo Oppong Nkruma, you cannot speak to anybody outside Parliament. You also have to make everything in Parliament. You are not even supposed to question anybody who is a government appointee. Because then you are stepping out of Parliament. Wait, Jimmy, make a say, we are daft too. Okay? They parade in Ghana as some smart boys. And what they do is, MPP, they put some words together and like, oh, Kojo Oppong Nkruma, Nipana Wokana Assembly says, share me. Or Sibra Parliament. You know what they do in Parliament? They know, say, Obiaba parliamentar, they will say, oh, there's a chairman. Don't talk to me, talk through the chairman. Oh, the Omoyero Parliament. Into the Parliament. What is going to happen is the chairman will be sitting there and they will tell you, oh, address the chairman, not what you can kwasi yourself. Or Sammy Gyamfi said, bra, neutral grounds, no chairman. Let me talk to you one-on-one. So that when I ask you a question, you can answer me. Or but that's Sammy Gyamfi Parliament. Not just, oh, I am not a chairman. I've asked you a question through the chairman. So say, Mr. Chairman, what the honorable person said, I want to ask the question. And the chairman will say, address me. Kwasia, meet him on neutral grounds. Osro, wow, bound to. Only any economic background be MPP no do any Jimmy. They can't think. This is a no. What about America or Congress? And I was Senate. Now Yebusa will say, can only Obi Kasama or say come to Senate. Oh, come to the Congress. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Asama can cry on ferry. Amano na yeka amano. Sammy Gyamfi say bra Shangara Sports Stadium or say bra Kakudi. Amano will say come to Parliament. Abuofunu. These are daft people. Oma bon. He party no mutim no. Na shobi to say Salakao. Shobi to say Wuntumi. Shobi to say Abronye. Shobi to say JFK. Omu nyina to pass so Kojo Oppong komade oni munyanso because the majority are foolish. They are not smart. And anytime can say somebody in the MPP who is an MP would never get to be a garden boy in the NDC. Today it is showing. Because I'm paying you a finance minister or person or taking a bigger positions in the Baumia government in the next 32 years. Yes, see, Sammy Gyamfi, a young man. Meet him anywhere if you're confident. Explain to Ghana, question Sammy Gyamfi, or say come to Parliament. I'll boa toriwa. While born rough, way, I'll pro. While born to. Siasi bra. TV so. Watch a fugwa about to pada the pen drive, Ponasha or to. Brana Sammy Gyamfi bra or semenye, Ombra Parliament, a Parliament or mame. Then you don't have any right to even question any government appointee. Because you are a parliamentarian. And if you want to question a government appointee, stay in parliament and write a letter through the speaker to bring the person. So you don't have any right to even criticize any government appointee. If that is the principle you are talking about, then it means Nkruma, you are not supposed to even call out any government appointee and say, you are not doing this right. You are not doing this right. Because at the end of the day, when we ask you questions, you say come to parliament. Then stay in parliament. Never document my speaker say, me person never tell you to parliament. Such a childish, twerpic attitude. Let him come to parliament. Forget about it. You are scared. Well, bon or bon for pele. Well, bon utiko no nanam Ghana and I'm a lawyer and I'm the Baumia. Wow, bon Baumia now bon. This is a guy who is speaking for Baumia. Wow, bon rough. Some catcher will say, Sabra from a borrow. They read and they'll come and tell you. Common sense they don't have. Wow, bound to. And then the Mwangasamu MP most of Tibrofwa or Nim economics or pose questions. Yes, bra, neutral grounds. Amano or Silla Menye. How bofu. Sammy Gyamfi Ponya a yo. Sammy Gyamfi on your economist too. Sammy Gyamfi nya to force no. Or free unto him for this Sammy Gyamfi so force out. Upese ufese out to force. Such a twep. Enquara politics. Enquara politics. And then last me catch them. See all your communicators. I can lecture all of them, including those on social media, those who are trying to speak and they cannot speak. I can lecture all of them. I don't care about where go school. I can lecture all of them. Yeah, so someone saw a party of full of a Jimmy for. This is a simple thing to clean your CV up to prove to Ghana for say, boy, Sammy Gyamfi a small boy. Sammy Gyamfi on economic background bia. Sammy Gyamfi one also a party communicator. Space man so soon in economics or giant. Sammy Gyamfi will break you into pieces. The same way I'm cha Kwekuba Kutino. The last samurai na me yini tie fru ono. Sammy Gyamfi go be ti literally obey you tie fru go be endo career. Osro say Sammy Gyamfi be end the career. Osro. Anka career ending confrontation and outside. That's right. Also career ending confront. Anka be jaw. Anka we girlfriends no current girl coming never jaw. Cause Sammy Gyamfi be to obe. Hey, you are scared of a career ending moment. Share. Anka beti a few moments later. Anka usro a few moments later. Abuwa. Osro muntieno. I Sammy should come to parliament. When you want to take us out of parliament, I'm Bramfie,
Mammy. You wanted to?
He's been invited to parliament as part of a probe. on how come, first of all, we've made over 2.5 billion cedis loss, which now has risen to 9.6 billion cedis on the gold sales.
Has Parliament invited him?
His side has blocked it. We are saying they should open that investigation for him to come under oath with all the documents to answer questions.
But Sammy
we have said
Sammy Gyamfi is not a parliamentarian.
No, he is part of the people who are running this gold value chain. We have said that if a debate is necessary, the person who under Section 58 has an obligation is the Minister for Finance. He has to bring the report to Parliament so that the committee can sit on it, and we invite him onto the floor for a debate on it, if necessary.
Until that happens?
Deal with those ones. Patrick Boama has filed a motion that those who sold 50% of our gold without any authorization should appear before Parliament with the necessary documents.
Your colleague has filed a document in Parliament asking a question that has got nothing to do with you confronting Sammy Gyamfi because you started this allegation. What has Patrick Boama's paper or whatever he has filed in Parliament got to do with you sitting on the same platform asking questions and Sammy Gyamfi also posing questions to you? You are a liar. We are born for to. We are born to. As someone can hear no popo, we are born to. Wait, ye ni mo no kojo Oppong Nkruma. Apo. A bon fitai. Osoro Sammy Gyamfi. Amano, yembiazu wa ya Shangara Park, Osidabi, Kaukudi Park, Osidabi, Denchira Park, Osidabi, Yembra Nema Mifie, Ojain. Now Yemetran Yankas, oh, a committee, a chairman. Now answer through the chairman. Now kwasi out to busa questions. Osi amano. Kaukudi Park, meet me, Osi Shamoma Mifie. Wa born to. How can you bring a CEO of government agency to Parliament to answer questions? Are you stupid? How can you bring a CEO? He is the CEO of Gold Board, and he's giving you the privilege to meet him on a public platform, on TV, to ask him any question you want to ask. You are saying you should come to Parliament. Are you stupid? We are born bibiabi. Wait, and Oppong Nkruma, and Oppong. It's because, Uyi Oppong Nkruma, now uyi Salakawa, automatically because Oppong Nkruma nimnyansa. Uyi Abronye, now uyi Oppong Nkruma, because Oppong Nkruma nimnyansa. Uyi Chema Utimi, now uyi Abronye, because Oppong Nkruma nimnyansa. Uyi Eyedana B, uyi Oppong, inti omutirimu no Oppong Nkruma ben. Onko International School, oti Saito, odi 28, neso eba, or hard. Odi first was Saito, yeso ben. Oba International School, we were presek, yesa fechira utumia, osi school na me bakurano, na me kwan wa. Inti yanko abuofunu. Ote inkin kensu SS na odi first ya transfer ba preseka o se ai akra ha de disibia cars ne bo aban ni mintumi sua de u ka bo aban mintumi sua de ofui 76 Japon Yebeshia Monday. I am still waiting for a contender. I am still waiting. I need somebody who can contest me, come and show documentations and prove me wrong. Yenya tribe de yen wa ha o. Enye se we buwe na we muwe. Me say me pe obi obetima contest me a ono so ewo facts ene na me hia. Me de ade beto wa na wo so de aba no aka say we oboa me documentations na papa. Na untumi nya sadia then means I control. And I keep opening mama me ye lazy do. Me hia competitor. Who is the competitor? And I want him nka many from Ibradango no. I control the airwaves. Nobody here. You can scream, you can shout, you can say, media at the end of the day, it is the facts and the people in here. Give me the facts. What's here for? Money facts. I will control you people and I'll control your destiny. Even in your bedrooms, I'll control you because it is me. And nobody can contest what I do. So pese otemenka na uhu eye senia nipebi ejime atum. Ade avestre. Obese oti ase ejuma dia medini wa ha. Ene nipebi o majime atum a udu Nigeria kura omo eye de abasobodi omo de bomi. I am Eye Ibradango. I will control the NPP. I will make sure the NPP stays in opposition for 42 years. So udu Nigeria omo shiamia. They call me a lot of names.
Honorable Engineer Fine man without pimple. Incumbent traditional prime minister, His Royal Highness Igwe Doctor, His Excellency Ambassador Igwe Uwezuoke, as Onyema Pimunkisi, African tallest man.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Engineer.
Thank you.
Fine man without pimple.
Thank you.
Incumbent traditional
Thank you.
prime minister, His Royal Highness
Thank you.
Igwe
Thank you.
His
Thank you.
Excellency
Thank you.
Ambassador
Thank you.
Igwe Uwezuoke,
Let it come.
as Onyema Pimunkisi,
Let it come.
African tallest
Keep
man.
pushing. I take it. Ami, let it come. Thank you. Let it come. I control. Fine man without pimple. Thank you. Yes. Yes. Ibradagu. I control. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let it come. I control. I control.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it. I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated.